Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I made these 3D flowers, from finding the templates from Design Space, to cutting, and to rolling them using an electric drill. I'm also gonna be using a handmade quilling tool. If you want to see a tutorial on this one, please see my description box for the link. We're gonna be doing 10 different 3D paper flowers, so let's get started! Open your Design Space app, click Images, type in 3D flowers, and then from here you can select the flowers that you want to make. Then click Add to Canvas. And then here, as we can see, we have uploaded 10 different templates of flowers. This step is not necessary. You can skip this one. I'll make all the colors the same. Now I'm going to resize them all at once by selecting all the flowers like so. Then click Align. Then click Center. Now they're all on top of each other. We can now resize them all at once. I'm going to resize them to 6.5. I use 8.8 inches when I make 3D flowers in a shadow box. If you want a step-by-step tutorial on how to make 3D paper flowers in a shadow box, I put the link in my description box. Click Make It. Now here, since I'm going to be using 8.5 by 11 cardstock, I'm going to change the material size to 8.5 by 11. And as we can see here, we have 10 different mats and it will cut in sequence. So let's continue. Click medium cardstock. Then I always adjust the pressure to more whenever I cut cardstock. Then press the flashing go button on your machine. Now we all have our 10 different templates cut. We're gonna need a hot glue, electric drill, quilling tool, and a pair of disposable gloves. We need gloves because we want to prevent paper cuts from happening while rolling the papers with a drill. If you want to see a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a handmade quilling tool, I put the link in my description box. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you on the next episode of DIY by Ses. Thanks for watching!